fits like a glove. Hi everyone, it's Katie from Hill & Marks, and today we're talking about oneSAFE Single Glove Dispensing System from FoodHandler. FoodHandler's oneSAFE Single Glove Dispensing System improves hygiene, reduces waste, and decreases your environmental footprint. Let's begin. It's glove dispensing simplified. FoodHandler's oneSAFE Single Glove Dispensing System enables you to provide a higher level of safety at your food service and medical operation. Why? Well, the Single Glove Dispensing System helps reduce the amount of gloves contaminated, dropped, and discarded, helping you control costs and run an efficient operation. Discarded gloves equals wasted money. This glove is 50% faster to put on, which is great in cases of emergency, and it increases your overall service during general patient care and food service tasks. The design makes it easy to grab only one glove at a time and put it on without contaminating the other gloves in the box, protecting and promoting hand hygiene. There's 96% less cross-contamination, 30% less storage space, 25% less cardboard waste. Whether you're cutting lemons for prep at the restaurant or saving lives on the operating table, you have to take it one glove at a time. Simple, safe, and smart. Visit hillandmarks.com today to learn more about FoodHandler's oneSAFE Single Glove Dispensing System. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like we said, take it one glove at a time. All better.